Let's see how to create Hostinger account. Click on the link in the video description to get up to 75% discount on web hosting. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. From here, click on Claim Deal, and here you will see the web hosting plans. If you are new to web hosting, it might seem confusing, but I will explain everything, and after that it will be very easy for you to select the plan. If you're just starting out and you want to host 1 or 2 websites on your web hosting, then I think premium plan is the best option for you. But if you want to level up with more power and enhanced features, then I think business plan is the best option for you. One of the best features of business plan is that you get 100,000 visits monthly, and also you get daily and on-demand backups. And in case of premium plan, you only get weekly backups. So if you can invest, then I think business plan is the best option for you. It's $1 expensive, it's $3.99 instead of $2.99, but I think it's worth the price. And if you want powerful resources, you can also go with the cloud startup. But if you're just starting out, I will suggest you to go with the premium or business. Once you made the choice, just click on choose plan from here. Now we need to select the time period for our web hosting. If you have the budget, I will suggest you to go with the 48 months plan. With 48 months plans, you get 2 months for free, but you can also go with 12 months or 24 months plan. And if you will use my coupon code, then you will get some extra discount. Now click on continue from here. Now you need to enter your email address and password and then click on register. Once you are registered, choose the payment method, pay for your web hosting, and in this way your Hostinger account will be created with the web hosting. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.